YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Steve. Bada bing, bada boom here. Ghost Mods. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make an oil catch can on your own that works properly. You only need to be spending $200-300 for a catch can. That's like ridiculous. If you're the type of person that spends $200-300 a catch can, even $100, keep that to yourself. Don't tell anybody you spend that, because you're going to be the topic of the day. Trust me. All right. Vented catch can and seal catch cans. There's two kinds. A seal means there's no breather filter on it. It's a closed system. It works half-ass. Excuse my French. You want a vented oil catch can because you want to release the pressure that's built in the block. So if you're gonna put a catch can the right way, you want to vent it one and delete the PCV valve, because the PCV valve is just a one-way check valve. When you're releasing the pressure, you want to release it full time. You don't want no one-way check out. You want to replace your PCV valve with a regular fitting that is open at the end. It could be a bar fitting, it could be a regular fitting. As long as there's no valve in it, you're good. What you're going to need, obviously you're going to need a catch can. You're going to need some hoses and 2 breather filters. The reason why I say 2, you release it more pressure faster, and it definitely looks sexier. I'm going to show you guys how to make a catch can the way I made it. It works great, and I already got people hitting me up talking about, can you make me one, or how can I do it? I showed one guy and forget about it. I had a couple people, calling, reaching out to me. Yo, Steve, do this. I don't even know these people. You know what I'm saying? I figured I come here and I make a video. I show you guys how to do it, where I got it at, and you guys do it yourself, because this is like less than like $50. And it works just as good as the one that's $200. There's no need to spend that kind of money in the catch can. It ain't that serious. Go get a few injectors for that price. So I'm going to show you guys right now. All right. My vehicle's turbo. So I'm going to show you a vented oil catch can. Let me get a light. I'm going to show you fellas right now. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. All right. So I'm going to explain to you how it works. Valve cover. The PCV valve used to be here. It's not here. This is just a regular fitting, bar fitting. Same thread as the previous PCV valve that was here. Deleted that. Okay. Put your vacuum your vacuum hose here. Run it to a T, bar fitting T. Put your breather filter right here. See how you got the filter facing up? You want it up. So when the pressure comes out, it comes up. Oil stays on the bottom of the line. Does not go up into the filter and clog the filter. You don't want that. Make sure your filter is up. Okay. Once it leaves, once the pressure comes out the filter, it goes this way, goes straight down. Okay. Give me a minute. It goes straight down here into the catch can. Now this is my catch can. Doesn't look like your average catch can. This is actually called a water separator, which is the same thing as a catch can. So get you some. Let me see how I get you guys some good light. Give me a minute. There we go. Boom. All right. That is a glass can, oil catch can, also known as a water separator. All right. It has 2 ports on the top. You got the bracket. It comes with a bracket. Its job is to hold and catch the oil that comes out with the pressure. That's his job. Nothing else. Okay. So pretty much oil comes out here, falls down right into the glass. Okay. And if you look on the bottom of the glass, if you ever gotta service it, there is a little, get the light here. It's a little valve here. See that valve? Push it. See, when you push it up, the oil comes down. Obviously, you don't want the oil falling on your trench, so you put a rag there on the bottom. Just do that. Oil comes right out. Okay. This side of the valve cover, same thing. Valve cover port comes straight out. to your T fitting. Okay, it's a bar fitting, filter facing sideways. You never want the filter being down like that. You don't want that. Because what's gonna happen is the oil you come out, it's gonna fall into the filter. It's gonna clog it. So you want it facing up. Have it coming straight out.